Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2013 to 886, stock with 6871. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It's an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,